Hello guys, today we're going to make a moringa and melon massage oil. Let's start right away. First ingredient is 98 grams of mineral oil. This oil inside this container is 98 grams of mineral oil. We chose mineral oil because it doesn't get rancid over time and it doesn't need any preservative. And then the next ingredient that we're going to put is 1 gram of eucalyptus oil. This is a 100 gram batch, by the way. And eucalyptus oil helps clear clogged nose and helps reduce symptoms of flu and cold and also headache. So we just have to stir. And the next ingredient, 1 gram of melon fragrance oil. If you don't want to use melon, you can use any fragrance oil of your choice. And then let's just remove the weighing scale and then stir the fragrance oil for 2 minutes. And then after stirring it for 2 minutes, we have an optional ingredient, which is the green oil soluble dye. This is just optional because since moringa is green, we want to color this product a little green. Not too bright green, but just enough to change its color. Oh, I think I added too much, but that's fine. This is the massage roll-on bottle. This is 10 grams or 10 ml. But before we pour this to the bottle, we can put some moringa leaves. Moringa has some anti-inflammatory and anti-aging benefits. So we just put some leaves inside the bottle. And then gently pour the moringa oil. Then put this roll-on bottle cap and then this gold cap. Let's just do another one. product is ready to